am obsessed with this new apartment. Okay, starting the empty apartment tour from the door, I can open and lock my door from my phone or just punch a code in, so there's no actual physical keys, which I love. It also comes with a trash can, and there's valet trash where you just put your trash outside and they pick it up. The door is also really tall. I want to say it looks like it's like, I don't know, like a 9 or 10 foot door. And this is just the utility closet that stays locked. Look at the view when you walk in. We'll get to that in a second, but first to the left is the kitchen. I love that everything is light and bright. My last apartment was pretty dark and I just love the color scheme. This is a fridge. I've actually never had a fridge that gives you water, so this is a freezer and the fridge. And there are tons and tons of cabinets and storage. I love the tones of this, and there's pulls on every single cabinet, the backsplash and the counters. I just love everything, and I'm obsessed with the color scheme. I have my stovetop. I actually prefer an electric stove over gas. Actually never done gas before. And over here we have a nice big sink and my dishwasher, which mostly gets used as a drying rack. And again, just tons of storage, these nice little pools on every single cabinet. And then we have the island. The island is so cute. We have some shelves over here, and then again, just tons of cabinets and drawers. Whoop. I think they're all soft close, maybe? Yes. Oh! Kind of soft close. So there's the island. I spend most of my time at the island. I actually have never bought a kitchen table because every apartment I just put bar stools and sit on the island. So directly to the right, this is a little tiny coat closet for some storage. This was the selling point. These windows are beautiful. I am going to just be baking in the sun. The only downside is that there is no balcony because you either got to choose this gorgeous corner unit with windows or you could have gotten an inside unit with a balcony. I honestly have spent like 2 seconds on the balconies in my last 3 apartments, so I think this is worth it. This is where I'm gonna put my desk probably. I'm gonna get a standing desk. I work hybrid, kind of from home, kind of not, to be close to the windows, but this is everything. I do need to buy some curtains. The TV is gonna go here, and I just absolutely love the entire space. So I got a 1 bedroom. It's about 800 square feet, and I love this setup. I always get this setup where you can either go straight into the bathroom or there's a door from the bedroom. So when I have guests over, they can just go in the bathroom and not have to go in my room. Okay, this right here. All of the apartments I've had have always had wood everywhere except the bedrooms always had carpet. Personally, I hate carpet, and I love that my bedroom is all wood floor. So not the biggest bedroom, but definitely good enough for me. Gonna have my little queen bed there, my nightstands, and I have a really big window. And then this door is another way to get to the bathroom. And a huge bathroom and closet. This right here was planned out by a woman because look at the counter space, and also the mirror is humongous. I love it. There's no frame on it, but I actually kind of like it. So my last place had 2 sinks, but I live alone, so honestly I'd rather have more counter space and have 2 sinks. So here is the bathroom area, and there are lots of storage and cabinets, and these ones go really deep, so perfect for all my hair products. And then toilet area, nothing special. Here's the shower and bathtub. I think my only complaint is that I do wish it was bigger. It definitely is a lot smaller than my last place, but again, there's so many other things that I'm getting in this apartment that my other one doesn't have. And there's honestly not a lot of space to put stuff around the corners, and there's only 1 shelf. So I'm definitely gonna end up putting some like suction cup shelves there. I love that there's a little towel rack next to it. It's cute, but I definitely do wish it was a little bit bigger, and there was space if maybe the tub was like a foot bigger and came out to here, but no complaints there. Also, I love this tile that's in the bathroom. And one of my other favorite parts is I have a much bigger walk-in closet. Y'all, this closet is huge. I have so many clothes, and my last apartment had a really big patio storage. This one doesn't, but I have so much space to put stuff. And I have my stackable washer and dryers. I'm not mad. They are full size, so I have no complaints there. And I always get apartments that come with washers and dryers because they're expensive and not going to buy my own. And I love these little built-ins where I can put like my laundry soap, towels, some other stuff there. So this closet is amazing. Such a huge closet for an apartment. And that is my new apartment. I'm moving in tomorrow. I'm so excited. I am selling some of my furniture, so I am gonna have like decorating furniture, all those types of videos, unpacking with me, and I cannot wait to live here. I know that these windows are gonna get so hot in the Texas summer, but I love it, and I'm so excited to move here. Thanks for watching. I will link below all of my other, I have so many packing, moving, empty apartment tours, furnished apartment tours. I move a lot, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.